Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove border text box in Google Sheets. So get ready started. At first, open your Google Sheets file. Firstly, then show the Google Sheets file is remove border text box. Now click on the text box option. Then click on the three dot option. Now click on the edit option. Now again click on the text box. Then click on the border color option. Now click on the transparent option. Now click on the save and color option. That's it. Then you show the remove border text box in Google Sheets. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.